Good morning, dear students. In last day, I have explained you the defect of the human eye. Mainly two defects I have explained. One is myopia, another is hypermetropia. Myopia, I have told the persons who can see the near object clearly but cannot see the far object because image is forming in front of the retina. To correct this difference, we are using the suitable concave lens. And hypermetropia, I have explained you the defect of vision in which person cannot see the near object clearly, but person can see the far object because the image is forming behind the retina. And to rectify this defect, we are using suitable convex lens. And reason also I have explained. Now third and important defect of vision is presbyopia. What is presbyopia? Some of the persons are suffering in both the defect, that is myopia as well as hypermetropia simultaneously. That means they are suffering the defect of nearsightedness and farsightedness. Neither they can see the near object clearly, nor they can see the far object clearly. Now, what is the reason? This reason due to the damage or not proper working of the ciliary muscles, due to the weakness of the ciliary muscles. When I have explained you the construction of the human eye, I have told ciliary muscles have the ability to increase or decrease the focal length. Since the ciliary muscles have the ability to increase or decrease the focal length, and that is only the reason the person can see the near object and far object. So human eye do not have a fixed focal length. Now the question, sir, why the ciliary muscles is weak or damaged? Mainly it is happened due to the aging effect. When the person is gradually aged, then the ciliary muscles become weak. And another, the reason, if they are having some chromatic disease, they are suffering a long types of the disease. Suppose they are suffering in the cancer, they are suffering in the diabetic patient. So in that lower age also, they are having the defect of the presbyopia. They cannot see the near object and far object. That means when they cannot see the near object and far object, and I have told the near object to see and far object to see, that means to rectify the myopia, we are using the concave lens. To rectify the hypermetropia, we are using the convex lens. And the persons who are suffering the presbyopia, that means they require both the lenses, convex lens also, concave lens also. So doctors, the eye specialists are prescribed the lens for the persons who are suffering the presbyopia, bifocal lens. Bifocal lens is a lens which have the two lenses, nearsightedness also and farsightedness also. I don't know you can able to see or not, but I am trying to show you. You see my lens. This is also bifocal lens. This is one type in the lower part to see the near object, and this is the portion to see the far object. So this is the defect to see to rectify the near object, and this is the defect to see to rectify the far object. So this is known as bifocal lens. Bi means two. So today conclusion is clear. The persons who are suffering the presbyopia, they are having the defect of the short-sightedness as well as far-sightedness. And this defect can be rectified by using the bifocal lens. Thank you.